This is look number 1, simple and straight to the point, guys, straight out the box. Y'all, look number 2, she's cute, middle part, little half up, half down situation, very, very cute. Cute little baby hair, whatever, nothing too much, never doing too much, just doing enough. Always doing enough, just enough.
I think you're true to something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
Cute. Again, not doing too much, but just doing enough. Baby hairs are in place. They look really, really good. And as you guys can see, the hair is super fluffy. It's completely air dried now, even after adding all that water in and stuff like that. It is perfectly air dried, and you guys can see the color and everything looks really good. So again, look number 3. Let me know which way you guys like to style this one. Y'all know I'm a middle part and side part kind of girly, but I definitely would rock this 7x5 and half up, half down, because everything is very seamless on this unit, guys.
Make sure you guys check the description. It will be right there. The link to their website will be there as well. Again, to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out. The highlight is popping and I like it. It complements the skin tone so much. Absolutely love this updo, and like I said, you don't have to use any product, okay? It's gonna give what it needs to give. So absolutely love it. I'm gonna leave it like this. Tell me your thoughts. Do you like the updo or do you like the side part down?
Apart as much as I actually do, but I'm feeling it. It looks so good. I love it. So yeah, this is the center part. Let me know in the comment section what style you guys prefer, the side or the center. But yeah, this is the center. She's cute. I love her. And I actually love how easy it was to change the part, because again, because it's curly, I was able to wet it and it still looks good. With straight hair, I find it's a little bit harder to change the part, but yeah, it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it into my last and final style. I don't want to put it in too much of a high ponytail. I just did a effortless half ponytail, so not like I couldn't pull the sides up because obviously this is not a frontal, but yeah, this is how it's looking. I think this is super cute as well. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you do, comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this wig and this video, and I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching.
This is how it looks once I get that nice and drenched. All right, it looks so good. I love a good wet look. You guys know this. So I also went ahead and decided that I wanted to give you guys a few more looks. Alright, so you guys know I'm always gonna try to give you like style suggestions. So I did this was my first half up, half down look. Got this cute little like flower claw clip, and so easy, so to the point, very beginner friendly. That's all you need to do. Literally, you just get the hair, gather it to the back. That's all you need to do. I did a little swoop vibe in the front, as you can see. And that's it for style, or look number 2 rather, because the first look was me showing you guys the hair in its
7x5 is the best when it comes to closure wigs, because you have maximum parting space, yet you don't have to like secure the ear tabs, because not everybody knows how to secure the ear tabs. And I think that's what makes a wig install easy or complicated. It's this part around your sideburns, ear area. You might think, really, this looks complicated too. No, because this is constructed to be put on and go. When you have to secure all of this, you have to fit it, you have to cut it. That's too much work. It's already pre-cut, fits around your ear. All you do, put it on and you're ready to go. Yeah, sign me up. Gets a 10 out of 10. I'm going to purchase this wig from Beautyforeverhair. I'm going to link it in the description box for you. Anyway, guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you